Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jayeeta and friends call me Rima, and in today's video I'm going to make this beautiful character based clay fridge magnet. So if you are new, please consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more future upcoming updates. So let's get started and jump into this cute and fun fridge magnet project. So to make this fridge magnet, you need Fevicryl Mouldit epoxy compound, some acrylic colors, paintbrush and magnet. So at first I have cut out some cartoon characters which I want to make. Now keep it aside. Now mix this to mixture and knead it properly. The dough. Now I'm putting some powder. Now I'm taking my rolling pin and just flattening the clay. Now I'm taking my cutout and with the help of a knife I'm cutting it. Cut out the second cartoon character, which is Doraemon. Now in the same way, with the help of the water and the help of the fingertip, I am smoothing the sides. Now let everything dry. Now here everything is completely dried. Now it's time to color everything. I have already sketched everything over here. Start with Pikachu. For that I am choosing yellow color. So this is also my favorite Pokemon also. If you see Pokemon, if you have seen Pokemon, and if you have any favorite character like mine, please let me know in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Next, color the Doraemon. At the end, I'm just going to attach this magnet with the help of glue at the back of this clay. And this is the final result. It has turned out beautiful and it's looking pretty and cute too. And it is a very fun loving project you can do with your kids also. I hope you guys like this video. See you in the next week. Take care. Bye bye.